Newell's Auto Body is proud to announce our new photo estimating tool. Simply visit our website using your mobile phone and click on Start Photo Estimate. From there, the app opens and you'll click Get Started. Next, you'll simply type your name into the fields. Now we'll need to know what type of vehicle you have. To do that, you can either scan the VIN code with your phone's camera, or you'll have the option to type it in manually if you prefer. For this example, we're going to type it in manually. So enter the VIN code and press Next. It identifies the vehicle, and now we'll tell it where on the vehicle the damage occurred. Now we'll be guided through taking a few photos of your vehicle from different angles. The app gives an outline of your car, and line it up as best you can and press the blue photo button. Then we do it from another angle, from the rear passenger side, and the rear driver's side. Now we're going to do a close-up of the actual damage. From another angle, and finally one last photo at a different angle. Now your photos have been submitted. You'll have the option to add any comments about the accident or the damage. Type in your notes. Let us know if it's an insurance claim, and choose between text message or email to receive your estimate. Finally, press the Done button, and you're done. We hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.